Okay, so basically it was March end, lockdown had just started, and we got a call from the Collective Artists Network, Vijay Subramaniam, who we had just finished lunch and everything, and sitting, and I got this call saying that would you be interested in telling the story of Leander Pace and Mahesh Bhupati? And I was like, yeah. And would you and Nitesh like to tell it together? And I was like, wow. And I kept the phone and I asked Nitesh, I've got this call. And what do you think? I think that was the fastest yes we had told us, because first of all, it came as a hope during the lockdown where we could put our energies, our creative energies into developing something and creating something which would also give us the ability to think beyond what we have been doing. Is because this was something challenging. We had never done this before. We wanted to start off with saying, okay, let's make something which has never been done before and also make it world class. And here we were talking about two legends who have made India proud with their partnerships, with their championship. And it was important to tell their story in their own words, where they are the heroes and they are telling the story for the world to hear, that what went wrong and what are the do's and don'ts of great partnerships, and how does it inspire and aspire a generation of young sportsmen who want to make a career in the world of tennis or in sports per se. So a whole lot of men and women of this generation who are aspiring to be great sportsmen. We took this as an opportunity and we said, okay, let's challenge ourselves. And along with our co-writer Piyush Gupta, we said there is no format to this, and let's create a format. Let us start putting it on paper and see what happens. And we had to create a structure, unlike a documentary where we go and we interview a whole lot of people and then we come back and then we have our structure in place. Here it was reverse, that we needed to put the structure in place. We needed to make sure that that the emotional graph was intact, because we were telling a story not only from the perspective of two great champions and what happened to them and why did they break up, but we were also talking to a generation and sports lovers and fans, who the do's and don'ts and what does it take to be great champions. And then we were talking to cinema lovers and everyday audience who love good storytelling, who love good stories. We were talking about the humanness of sports or sports people or sports champions. So that was very important, to get the emotional quotient along with sports, along with the championship. Mahesh opened up first and Leander took a little while. See, if first of all, we are talking about two great legends here who are ready to open up their story to two individuals who they only know through their work and not as as a personal relationship. So when they're talking to us, the first thing they need to do is trust that person, and the second thing they need to know that belief that whatever they're going to do it with a lot of trust and integrity. And the third thing which they needed to know is that we are going to tell a story which is emotionally binded and just not about facts and fiction, because we were not interrogating them. We were telling their story, which has a lot of ups and downs and great partnership and a lot of laughters at the same time, a lot of suspense and the sportsmanship. So it was important to get weave in all that. But every story, when you go and speak to a person, they take a little time to open up, and it was same the case with Mahesh and Leander, that once they trusted us, once they believed us that we are going to be telling the story as is, and we are not going to be judgmental about either of them. We are not going to take sides of Leander or Mahesh. We are just going to present a story to the world as is, from the perspective of them as the whole heroes telling their story, from their own experiences and the people who surrounded them and who were with them, who experienced their story. Once they knew that, they spoke to us like a mirror, like openly. So the music plays a very, very important role in storytelling like this, because it is not a drama, but it is drama and emotional experiences, like hearing a story without seeing visuals. And when that happens, it's like reading a book and or hearing a podcast and seeing a visual in front of you. And here it was in the voice of Mahesh and Leander and their friends and family and coaches and sports persons who were there with them in their life. And it was important that the music changes the emotion, the music takes the story forward, and the music creates that kind of visual experience and the emotion which we wanted to create when you hear or when you see that sequence. So yes, so music played a very, very important role, created by Rohan and Vinayak, very young talented duo. So we got a lot of duos in this. Like we said, that we did do a lot of homework, and because this was happening for the first time, we did put everything on paper in terms of the structure of how we want to live. A lot of research which went into. It's not easy to like get into 20 years of material in terms of who they played the matches with, what were the points where they won, what happened during that Wimbledon match, and or the French Open or Australian Open, or what happened in Doha, or what happened in the Doha was Olympics, so or the Asian Games. So there's so much which is there, and who they placed against with. So a lot of that also hats off to Leander and Mahesh to be patient enough to tell us also a lot, because it has to come from them, and also to put us on to in those interactions we get to know that okay, we need to talk to this person is because he was a very integral part of this episode. So then talking to that person, so that was very important. So it's almost like like the more and more you speak and the more and more you interact, you start finding those pit stops where you need to go interact, then come back, and then again from that pit stop maybe something else opens up. So that's how we mapped it.